On Sunday, former owners of shops near Kerala Metro Station held a press conference in the IFS Press Center to speak about illegal actions of the Baku Metro management. Owner Talib Ahmedov says he was deprived of his property in the summer in connection with the reconstruction work. After the repair work was over, the subway management began to sell the shops to other people. As a result, up to 40 shop owners lost their properties. According to the owners, the price of the booth ranged from 12,000 to 20,000 manat. The shops that are closer to the entrance or exit of the subway may cost up to 80,000 manat. It was reported that the shops are first registered in the names of Metro employees and then sold. The sellers are said to be two persons, Zahar and Novruz by name, and Rauf Ahmedov, son of the Baku Metro head Taghi Ahmedov. Taghi Ahmedov is quoted as saying that the sellers of the shops say that they act on behalf of the president's spouse Mehriban Aliyeva. The owners accuse the Metro management of misappropriation of funds as they believe that their shops are sold for cash in order to avoid paying tax. They also said that no single tax was paid to the state on the income from rental fees that they used to pay for owning the shops. The former owners say they are facing financial strain after the said problem. They also noted that they have some audio and video material to compromise the Metro management, which they could publicize in case their demands are not met. They also announced their intention to start hunger strike, file lawsuit with the court, and take the matter to the European Court if necessary.